Let's talk about a few important things that have been clarified by the MetaMask team in terms of their airdrop compared to their rewards. So I don't want to waste your time. We're just gonna go and look as you see here on the screen now. Make sure to go and sign up to MetaMask if you haven't done it. Use the code that you see on the screen because this will give you the OG rewards. This allows you to go and take all the retroactive rewards if you are an OG users, as well as a 10% boost. This is a way for them to say thank you to the OG because a lot of people complain about, hey, what about us in the past transaction, etc., etc. So make sure to use the code, enter the app on the bottom right corner of the app. If you update it to the latest version, you will see the rewards tab. Make sure to go and join, use the code, get your OG point, let me know how many you receive down here. But one important thing, it's super important, go and do swaps, go and do bridges. And why? Because we're gonna be looking at that in this video. It is super important, and in my opinion, I did change my mind. I got corrected myself. It is going to be one of the biggest hitting airdrop in 2026 if it does happen at the end of the year, in 2025 or at the early 2026, because there's so much money behind it. And trust me, go and spend those 3 to 4 to 5 pound in the transaction fees. I'm doing it. They have about 700 to $1 billion in funding, so it's not even the evaluation at launch, which is going to be absolutely great. But with that said, the first thing first, I want to share you here my profit and loss. As we see here, we are in profit of $8,000 over on Breakout. And how did I do it? Well, super simple. I trade here on Breakout, and as we see here, I'm going to go and close the position for you and showcase you the amount and the field order. I will leave the link one open because I do have high hopes. But what is Breakout? Well, Breakout is a prop firm that allows me to make this much money. Why? Because I am trading with a $50,000 account, which you can go and grab yourself for only $450. You can also get yourself a $10,000 account, so $10,000 within the account for only $100. And of course, you understand that I made 10% of that in my trade. I made about $7,000, a little bit more. If I only made 10% with a $450 balance on any other account, I would be only making $45. So that's why I trade with Breakout. I will leave the link down below with my code as well. Make sure to go and sign up. Get yourself one of these accounts. There is also a giveaway for one $10,000 account for any of you that purchase one account over here. So get going, get starting, get trading. Even a $5,000 account for only $50, and we are in the money. Coming back to the MetaMask airdrop, as we see over here, the MetaMask rewards program and the futures MetaMask token generation events are two different things. One thing go hand in hand with the other. Both will, in meaningful ways, give back to you and the ecosystem. What does it mean? Well, that if you use the website, if you use the mobile app and you use the swapping and the fees and the features, the new features that I have involved, then it's absolutely great. One other key things that I am probably gonna do myself is get myself the MetaMask card, and I do think that is gonna be important for the airdrop because it is part of the ecosystem and the new thing that they are launching. I do think that having transaction on the MetaMask card is going to be important. But that aside, what you can do from the app, make sure to go and do a swapped, bridge, perpetual. Again, perpetual super important. Why? Because we are in a very low volume in terms of perpetual on MetaMask. So there's not many people, as we see here, they do about 80 to 20 to 40 million. So let's say between 40 and 80 million dollars a day in perpetual trading, which is very low. Like other protocols which we're going to be talking about, they do more. So it means that there is very much underfarmed. MetaMask perpetuals are very underfarmed in all ways, shapes, and forms. So I do think you should definitely go and utilize them. Go and do the swaps, go and take your points, and go and scale through the labor. Currently, I am level 3. I will try to showcase you here the screenshot or the video recording again of the app, but make sure to go and do it. And as we see here from MetaMask, the reward is now live, the loyalty program that gives you meaningful benefits on the action, and all the OG members, you can go and use the code as we said before. Similar to the program, is the first of its kind on-chain program that will evolve over time. Now, the important thing here is, first of all, the season 1 rewards include over 30 million in Linea BL token, not 13 million tokens, but $30 million worth of the token. About 300 million then, or 3 billion token, because it's at a 1 cent. Quick math, I'm not good at it, so you understand it's going to be more token than 30 million. 30 million is the US value of it, which is actually really good. The MetaMask reward and the futures MetaMask token generation event will relate to one another, which the one is we currently have, and the future token generation event will relate. So the more that you do now on MetaMask, on the app, on the reward, the swapping, the bridging, the point, the more you scale to the point, the better it will be for you, including OGs who've stuck around. So these are two things that go hand in hand. That's why I say make sure to go and utilize it, make sure to go and do the MetaMask rewards. Make sure to go and partner up with them and do all the, daily, weekly, the swaps, the bridge, and all of them goodies. Everything we do it in Atmos Care. We have tens of millions of users, and this is why I do believe that it's so much under farmed. So make sure to go and do it. But something else that it is under farmed that I want to go and check out here over on DeFi Llama. Today, this is the current situation. It's a bad day in the market. We get it. Yet I still got longs open and I still have position. But we see here that between what we talk about, Gravity keeps on delivering 758 million in volume. Now, it has gone low yesterday. Now it's kind of like regrouping back up. But compared to something else that we talked about, like Pacifica, Gravity is at 758 million. Pacifica is 284 million. Now, at current value, Pacifica is about 50 cent a token on the point. So 1 point in Pacifica that we do have right here over my portfolio is about 50 cent. Gravity, on the other hand, is way more underfarmed. There's way less users. Last week, they only gave out to 9,906 users. You can go and check them on the Twitter post that they've done. So only 9,000 people get the airdrop right here. And the airdrop for Gravity here, it's very straightforward. Trading volume and open interest. Trading volume, you know what it is. Open interest is basically how long you can have a position for. So this is open interest and you get points by it. And this is what I am doing as well. Open interest is what I focus a lot over here. And this, by the way, I will leave you the Gravity link down below. Make sure to go and join non-KYC exchange. You can go and do 2, 3, 4 different accounts. So I will leave the link down below. And it is absolutely underfarmed. Yes, because like there's way less people farming Gravity than Pacifica, even though in times like this, Gravity has outperformed Pacifica. Now, I'm not saying don't farm Pacifica because I am personally farming both. I'm farming Pacifica with 10,000 points right here, which at current time is about 50 cent a token. So I'm doing pretty well, about a 5k airdrop if that is the case, but let's compare it a little bit lower. Let's put 30 cent a token, is still 3,000 more or less as the market of today. But I will leave you also the Pacifica link down below. Again, you can go and make more than 1 or 2 or 3 different protocols and wallets. And I do have here, I got a hype long over open. On Gravity, I got a link and a hype long. So I will leave you both linked down below. Make sure to go and do it. But if you need to stick to one, Gravity in one side looks better than Pacifica simply because it's more trading volume. Gravity really focuses on the Asian market. That's where they're really strong, and that's why the people come in and trade. Pacifica is kind of like a bit worldwide. But make sure to do your due diligence. Of course, this is my opinion. One important thing also, it will be just make sure to go and do the MetaMask perpetual as well, because as we saw here, they only have 20 million in trading volume and they do use Hyperliquid. So it could be a 2-in-1. It could be Hyperliquid and the MetaMask token if you go and utilize the perpetual over on MetaMask. Next up, talking about Hyperliquid, we got the next airdrop that's in the files within the database. It does seem that it is meant to be distribution on the 1st of January 2026. So it does look that with the new year, we do get our new dedicated point system for the Hype Season 3 right here. Now, Hype token, it went absolutely bananas really well, and then it kind of like just stopped going well. Like now it's a bit on a downfall. I do expect it to recover. I do want it to go to about $50. That's where I see it doing really well. But people are like also starting to stop trading on Hyperliquid, as we see here. Acer's dominating, Lighting is dominated. Lighter will eventually stop dominating once the airdrop is done. We all know how that happens. EdgeX as well, potential airdrop, super growth over here. Like we see this massive growth, $10 billion in daily volume, which is really, really good. But expect Gravity and Paradex and also Pacifica extended, all of those to do really, really well. But definitely it's coming out. Is it too late? Potentially it'll be too late to farm it because there's so many people, but still make sure to go and do it. Next up, we also have the Kite Foundation airdrop to go and claim. As we see here, the checker is now live. The claim opens tomorrow at 3 p.m. But the eligibility are the verified Discord community holders, active testnet, compared to Maonad that they didn't give it to them. So make sure to simply go and connect your wallet and check whether or not you are eligible for it. It could be MetaMask wallet, it could be any other wallet that you want. So make sure to go and check it. Make sure to go and see which one you are able to go and get. And sorry, bit of a hiccup over there. And really, really good. So with that said, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.